for apple.
B for ball. C is for cat.
D
for dog.
E is for elephant. F
For fish.
G is for giraffe. H for house. I for igloo. J for juice. K is for kite. Look at it fly so high in the sky. L for lion. M for mango. N is for nest. Nest. Hello! I am O for orange, and I am super sweet. Let's bounce.
P is for parrot. Can you say parrot?
Q is for queen. R for rabbit. S for snake.
T for tiger.
U is for umbrella.
V is for van. Let's go.
W is for walrus. X is for xylophone. Y is for yak. Z is for zebra. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. See you next time. Love you.